A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are fit and fine, and I also hope that your exam goes well. Now, today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 6, WordPad. Chapter number 6, WordPad. In this chapter, we will learn how we open WordPad, different parts of a WordPad window, and working in WordPad. So let us start today's class. Open page number 49, chapter number 6, WordPad. WordPad is an app that lets you type stories, poem on the computers. WordPad is a app in which you can type stories, poem, sentence, word, numbers, and whatever you want to type. Understood? WordPad is a basic text editing app. In this app, you can type numbers, type alphabets, type sentence, poem, stories, and so many things. Understood? I repeat once again. WordPad is a basic text editing program. In this program, in this app, we can type stories, poem, application, letter, word, sentence, number, and so on. Now, you already know that just as we use a pencil to write on paper, we use keyboard to type on the computer. You have already know keyboard is used for typing. We can write on paper with the help of the pencil. Similarly, we can type with the help of the keyboard on the computer. Let us learn how to open WordPad. How you open WordPad? Open page number 50. Opening WordPad. The first step is type WordPad in the search box next to the start button. Where the first step is type WordPad in the search box next to the start button. Here is a search box. You can see on the screen. This area is known as search box. Type WordPad in this area. WORDPAD. WordPad. The second step is click on the WordPad option to open it. You can see WordPad option is displayed here. Click on this app. So it is a WordPad screen. I repeat once again how we open WordPad. The first step is type WordPad in the search box. WORDPAD. WordPad, and click WordPad app option, or you can press simply enter also. You can press enter. Understood? I repeat once again. Click WordPad, WORDPAD pad, and you can click here, or you can press enter. This is a WordPad screen. Now, parts of the WordPad window. The WordPad window has the following parts. The first part is quick access toolbar. This area is known as quick access toolbar. This area you can see at the top left side corner, this area is known as quick access toolbar. It contains button that let you quickly save the documents. It contains some buttons just like a save, undo, and redo. Quick access toolbar. This toolbar is used to perform quickly action of the some options. Next is ribbon. It has 3 tabs: file, home, view. This is In this, it has 3 tabs. But this is a ribbon. This area is known as ribbon. This area, a ribbon contains 3 tabs: File, Home, and View. Third option is Work area. This is known as work area. Understood? I repeat once again how we open WordPad. Click on search box and type WordPad and click WordPad option. This is a WordPad screen. A WordPad screen has different parts. This section is known as quick access toolbar. This is a ribbon. This area is known as ribbon. A ribbon contains 3 tabs: File tab, Home tab, and View tab. And this area is known as working area. You can see the white page is known as working area. Now, page number 51. Working in WordPad. We can type text in WordPad window and make changes to it if needed. Means you can type text in WordPad, and if any mistake is happened, then you can correct it also. Let us learn about how to type and make changes to the text. The first, typing test. To type the text, first of all, click on the work area. You would notice a small blinking line. Start typing here. The blinking line is called the cursor. When you click on the work area, you can see a small blinking line, a small vertical blinking line is appear here. This blinking line is known as cursor. Understood? The small blinking line is known as cursor. The cursor is indicate to start typing from this position. Means आपका कर्सर जिस पोजीशन से होगा, आपकी टाइपिंग वहीं से स्टार्ट होगी. Now, you would notice that the cursor moves toward the right as you type the text. As you type the text, then your cursor will move toward the left, toward the right. You can see. You can see cursor will move toward the right. आप जैसे जैसे टाइप करते जा रहे हैं हम, वैसे वैसे कर्सर क्या है, राइट हैंड साइड को मूव कर रहा है. Right? When the text reaches the end of a line, it automatically shift to the next line. Means जैसे ही आपका फर्स्ट लाइन कंप्लीट होगी, आपका कर्सर ऑटोमेटिक क्या होगा, नेक्स्ट लाइन में शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. To start a new paragraph, simply press the enter key on the keyboard. If you want to start a new paragraph, then you press enter button from the keyboard. Understood? I repeat once again. To start typing, how we type the text in WordPad, the first step is click on the working area. When you click on the working area, a small vertical line is blinking. This small blinking line is known as cursor. Okay, cursor indicate your text will appear that points. cursor ये indicate करता है कि आपका text उस position से start होगा जहाँ पे आपका cursor blink कर रहा है. And this cursor will move toward the right as we type the text. जैसे जैसे हम text type करेंगे, हमारा cursor क्या है, right hand side को move करेगा. Right? And when first one line is completed, then your cursor will move to the next line automatically. देखिए, you can see first line is in here, then cursor will automatically move to the next line. And if you want to change the paragraph, then you can simply press the enter button from the keyboard. Understood? Now page number 52, making changes to text. Making changes to the text, first of all we can write something. You can see first line is ended here, then cursor will move automatically to the next line. You can also see that cursor will automatically to the next line when first line is completed. Understood? Now on page number 52, adding text. You can add new text to the already present text in the document. For this, follow this step. It means if you forget any sentence, any word in the paragraph, then you can also edit, you can also add that word, sentence after typing also. Understood? If you forget to type any important things, then you can add that text after typing. अगर आप टाइप करते हुए कुछ पॉइंट्स आपसे मिस हो जाता है, आप कोई वर्ड आप टाइप नहीं कर पाए, तो आफ्टर टाइपिंग आप उस वर्ड्स को ऐड कर सकते हैं. हाउ? द स्टेप इज, द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज place the cursor at the position where you want to add the text by clicking the left mouse button. First of all, place the cursor at that position where you want to insert text by pressing left button. Now I can add text here, so I click here. You can see cursor is blinking here right now. Understood? Understood? The first step to add text in already typed matters, the first step is place the cursor at that position where you want to add text by pressing left mouse button here, and after the when your cursor is blinking on that position, then you can start typing. You can see after first we can add, they are useful to us in many different ways after the typing the paragraph. I repeat once again. You can see if you want to add text between the text or between the paragraph, the first step is to place the cursor at that position where you want to insert the text by pressing the left mouse button. When your cursor is blinking on that position, then after that you can type as usual. You can type. Understood? Now Page number 53. Deleting text. We may need to erase some text while typing. This can be done using either the delete key or the backspace key. Similarly, if we want to delete any extra word, any extra sentence, any extra letter in the paragraph, then we can delete that extra point. Yeah, we can by pressing delete and backspace key. The step to delete text is, first step is place the cursor at the position where you want to erase that text. First of all, place the cursor at that position where you want to delete the text. सबसे पहले आप अपने कर्सर को उस पोजीशन पे ले जाएंगे जहाँ पे जिस टेक्स्ट को आपको डिलीट करना है. क्लिक कर दिया, and after that press the delete key to remove the character to the right of the cursor, or press the backspace key to remove the character to the left of the cursor. If you want to delete text left of the cursor, then you can use backspace key. अगर आपको कर्सर के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के टेक्स्ट को इरेज करना है तो आप डिलीट बैकस्पेस बटन यूज करेंगे, यू कैन सी. और if you want to delete text right hand side of the cursor, then you can use delete button, you can see. Understood? Backspace, I have already told you, backspace is used to erase text left side of the cursor, and delete key is used to erase the text right side of the cursor. Understood? समझ में आया? I repeat once again. To delete text, first of all place the cursor where you want to delete the text. After that, press backspace key if you want to erase the text left side of the cursor, and if you want to delete text right side of the cursor, then you can press delete button. Understood? I hope you understand. This is enough for today's class. I repeat once again. Today I told you about WordPad. So what is a WordPad? WordPad is a basic text editing program in which you can type text, number, alphabet, story, poem, application, whatever you want to type, you can type in WordPad. How we open WordPad? To open WordPad, just click on the search box and type WORDPAD. After that, click on WordPad option. WordPad is open. This screen is divided into some parts. This is a quick access toolbar, and this part is known as the ribbon. Ribbon contains 3 tabs: file, home and view, and this is a working area. To start typing, the first step is click on the working area. When you click on the working area, a small line is blinking. This small line is blinking cursor. After when you type the cursor, when you type, cursor will move toward the right hand side, and when first line is completed, then cursor will move automatically to the next line. And if you want to change the paragraph, then you can press enter button. Understood? You can add or delete text after typing the paragraph. I hope you understand.